4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a fully renovated 4-level back split in one of the best areas in South Windsor, Ontario. Welcome to 3365 St. Patrick's Drive. So this house has it all basically. So it has a huge driveway, huge frontage, around 60 square foot just for the frontage, and the depth is around 106. So just the lot size for this property around 6,300 square footage, and we have brick from the outside and also some siding, and all of the like this house is literally fully renovated. So even even the driveway this is a new concrete here, and the inside of the house is a masterpiece. You guys must check it out. It's really nice. So what I like about this house, it has a little area here, so like covering from the snow or also from like raining and stuff. So it has all like covering from here and also from here as well. And there's 2 entrances for the house. You can either go from that door. This door takes you right to the living area, and this door takes you to the kitchen. So that's 2 doors you have here.
And because like if you have this space here, you can also park your car in case there's any snowing or something. You have a big area, so you can fit your car in there.
Exactly, you can park your car here because you don't have a private garage, but you have a little area here that you can park your vehicle here and get it covered from the snow and everything else. So let's go right now from this side to take a look at the house. And I also want to mention before we go inside that this house is very nicely landscaped, and like the weather is not giving it everything because it's snowing right now. But let's go ahead and take a look at the house from the inside. So as soon as you go in, you're gonna be seeing the details. Like there's a new flooring, new pot lights, new lighting, and new painting. Like everything in this house been done newly. So as soon as you go in, you see spacious living area and spacious dining area. And I don't think even you need to use this area as a dining area because you have more space in the kitchen. Like this house is really renovated in a good way, and even like in a luxury way. So the bedrooms, we have them on this side. We're gonna show it to you later in the video. But for now, let's continue and go ahead to show you the rest of the main floor.
Saif, I think I really like the matching that they chose the right color for the flooring here. I really like it. I also like how unique the renovation and also how modern it is. The house was built, of course, like previous years, but the renovation has made it like in these years. It looks like that built like in these years because it's so modern. Like even the choice of these lights, the frames, and also the color of the cabinet, all looks so unique.
Indeed, the house looks like a brand new house. And I also love the size of windows. Like if you go from this side and show them how big the windows are, like they are really huge, and it brings a lot of natural light. Even today is not a sunny day, but you can see how much light is going inside. And also you have some storage behind Sarah. I'm gonna show it to you later. But
and not only this, you also have a window.
Yeah, and also don't forget the amount of windows we have in this area. Like this is my favorite area. You have 2 huge sliding doors with like very nice ceramic in the bottom, and the kitchen is a masterpiece. And here, I think you can also fit your dining table if you want, but also it can be fitted in the living area because the living area size is really big. And again, we'll have 2 sliding doors, and here is some, you can also build, like put a cover here and put your barbecue. There's a nice shaded area, and also there's nice concrete around the house. And there is a shed as well we have outside that you can use for your storage and everything, because remember we said there's no garage, but you have a little shed that you can cover and put all of your stuff inside the shed. And here we have the kitchen. Like I really love the colors of the cabinets and the style, like the way they build it. Like this looks like a luxury house, and it's really modern. Like you really love the way they build it and everything here. You have here dining, you have here like an island in the middle that looks very unique, and this is granite on the top, by the way. All this is granite, and you have a couple of drawers here, and also they have a little sink right here. This is probably you can make your coffee, you can wash vegetables, and also here they have some drawers that you can pull them.
Safe, like I'm really obsessed with all of this stuff that they have, like the drawers, the style of the drawers, and also the island. Look how unique it is. It looks honestly so different.
It's really unique, and like it looks like a high-end house. It's not like something that you see every day. And I also want to mention the backsplash they added here. It also looks very unique. It doesn't even feel like it's tile. It feels like it's you know, like a natural stone or something different. And I like the way they build it here. Like it's really high. You can, you know, stand here, and there's also lights on the top here, kind of give you more light. And you know, there's double sinks, and also there's this one, which is, I'm not sure what that is, but probably you can. There's also these ones, like you can put shampoo or like whatever you want to do. Soap, dishwash, like you can wash the dishes. And here is the dishwasher, like all the appliances are here. And yeah, so what else do you want to add?
Safe, I'm in love with the color of the cabinets. It is wood, and it's also, it kind of has like this touch of gloss. So you see it's wood, but at the same time it has a glossy as well. But it's very light. It's barely, you can see it like in the camera, but it looks awesome. I'm in love with the color. I love these colors. Like this is the real, I would say the real material of the cabinets.
And I also like that the way they added the light fixtures or chandeliers. They kept them all the same style, just kind of to keep the identity of the house. And there's more you know, cabinets on this side as well. And here is the entrance for the kitchen. Just like I mentioned, there's two entrances for this house. The second one is right to the kitchen, so you can go in from here. And also you have a powder bathroom right here, also nicely finished with the same tile on the flooring, and it's gonna be very useful for the main floor.
I think so, especially when you have guests or people staying here, they don't have to go upstairs or downstairs. They can just use this bathroom.
So this house is a 4-level side split. So we just showed you one of the levels, but we also have 3 other levels that Sarah gonna show you in a little bit.
Going a few steps upstairs, we're gonna see the bedrooms. Here we have the first bedroom. I think Safe, like the best part is every bedroom in this house is a perfect size bedroom. Sometimes you see like 3 bedrooms, but when you enter in one of them, you'll see just like a kid's bedroom, or you can make it as an office, but these ones are also, like they're all big, really big bedroom size. Like this one by itself fits for 2 people, a queen, king bedroom. It feels like a master bedroom in some houses. And also you have this closet here. You can also make it a little bit bigger to up to here. If you want to customize it, it will be even more beautiful. And not only this, you have also a window in your closet. So this is perfect.
Wow, I really got surprised when I saw it. Like I didn't see it before. It's like almost to have a walk-in closet inside a normal bedroom.
Yes, and here you can put a door, floating door, and here you have a perfect closet with its window. And here we have 3 windows as well. I think the windows in this house are very spacious, and they're taking a big part of the whole house. Let's go and see the other bedroom, which is right beside it. This is the other bedroom. This is even bigger and bigger, and I think this is the master bedroom. I'm not sure, because also like honestly, like when you enter all the bedrooms here, you feel confused which one is the biggest one, because this one is even bigger. And you have a closet. I like the closets more in that bedroom than this one, because there's a lot of potential for customize it. You can also customize this closet as well, but that one is a little bit bigger. But the size of this bedroom, I think it's a bit slightly bigger than that one. And also you have the window here that's fronting on the streets, which is awesome. And as you can see, like you don't even need to open the lights, because you already have natural light that's coming into the bedroom. And let's see this amazing part, which is the bathroom on the upstairs level, which is this one. They have literally thought about everything to make it modern and unique. They have a water tub, a very nice and unique vanity. Toilet is there, and this is the stand-up shower. And again, the finishes is the best part of this house. Look how they are matching, even the walls color from these floorings and also the vanity. And also Saif, the frame of the mirror is also matching with the vanity and the flooring color, which is awesome. And I think they painted the frames of this mirror just to make it look like the other colors in this bathroom. Let's go right now. We're gonna go downstairs to the main floor, and from the main floor, we're gonna go again downstairs so we can check, I would say, you can call it a basement, or this is a side split 4-level. So this is the 3rd level of this house, which is this space. We also have windows on that bedroom. This space, you can make it like a storage, a small living area. You can put a desk here, an office, maybe a reading area, music area. And we also have a beautiful closet on this side, which is basically, you wouldn't even think about your extra stuff because you have a lot of closets everywhere in this house. Just look at this bedroom, how big it is. And we would say it's kind of in the basement, but it's above ground. You can see like until here, it's above ground, and the rest is underground. But see how big the windows are? We have 2 of them, and they are fronting the street.
So what I love about side splits, like when you go into the first or the first level under the ground, it feels like you're in a razor ranch.
Yes.
So because the house, like the ceiling is very high, the windows are very big, so you don't even feel like you're in a basement.
Correct.
In this floor.
Correct. And the thing, it saves you actually a lot of space. So basically, there's bedroom upstairs, there's bedrooms downstairs, and there's another downstairs that you also have like more bedrooms. So basically it saves you a lot of spaces. And for this bedroom, it's not only this, look what we have there, Saif. We have 2 closets.
So I think this is the master bedroom, in my opinion.
Fits for, I think this is the master bedroom in this level. But in the upper level, there is another master bedroom, but it doesn't have its own bathroom. So we would say this is the most master bedroom in the full house. But look how big both of these closets, easily for 2 people. More than big and enough. And here we can check the amazing bathroom that they have here. It's awesome. I love the finishes. Again, the finishes is my favorite part, honestly. Saif, look at the lights, fixtures, look at the choice. Like, I love it. I'm in love with it. Look at this nice chandelier here at the top of the water tub, and look how they have chosen a perfect shape of the water tub here. And the water tub in this house is very important for the owner. They put it literally in every bathroom. And we also have stand-up shower, and also the finishes here are matching with everything else in the bathroom. I love it. I would give it 10 out of 10 for this renovation.
And don't forget they have a double vanity here.
Yes.
Little sink, so vanity.
And look at the vanity. It's simple, unique, and so beautiful. Now let's go and check the other level, which is, we're gonna go a few steps on the stairs. And we're gonna go downstairs. Let's see, this is our last level in this house. We start with this area. Again, this is, you can make it a desk, an office area, or maybe kids are playing here, or a reading area, whatever you want. We don't have a window there, but we do have a window here. It's not a big window, but keep in mind, this is the 2nd level underground. So this window is very perfect size for it, honestly. I've seen some houses when I go to the 3rd level in a side split or a back split, I don't even see windows in their 2nd level underground. So this is great to have in your house. This is the 1st bedroom, and we have the laundry and the mechanic area, the furnace. It's all over here. And we also have the last bathroom in this house, which is basically in every level you have a bathroom. And this is a full bathroom. And Saif, we also have here a nice vanity and a sump pump. They have a sump pump, which is awesome. I think they just added the sump pump here newly when they renovated the house, which is kind of awesome to have because it's just gonna prevent the flooding. And Saif, I think this is the electric panel. Yes, it is the electric panel.
And what I love about this house that they renovated or they used every part of this house.
Yes, basically, literally, like when I see the renovation, I don't see any gaps. I don't see anything that has been missed. Everything is perfect. They have done a perfect renovation. I'm pretty sure they spent a lot of money on it. This house is listed for $699,000 Canadian, and it's located in South Windsor. As Saif said, it's one of the best and expensive areas in South Windsor. If you have any questions, you can reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch more tours like this, watch this video next. See you in the next one.